Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So for this video, let's talk about Lovable AI versus Bolt AI. Now this is going to be an honest review that nobody shows you for 2025. So let's start with this one. I have a sections breakdown for you starting from overview, ease of use so we can compare each of the websites right there, and basically ended up with performance and speed, features and tools. Of course, we're going to talk about pricing as well, and of course my honest personal take. Let's start with a quick overview. I'm gonna go with Lovable first. So basically, Lovable AI is a position as an AI powered assistant for creatives and small teams. It focuses on simplifying workflows, whether that's writing, content planning, or generating. So you're gonna see right there are a lot of templates already up and going with other creators. And by the way, guys, this is free to use for limited credits. I think daily they refresh it. I have 5 credit left for this one. On the other hand, for Bolt AI, comes across as a much faster, more power user function tool. It's marketed as being lightning fast for developers, marketers, and business that want quick automations. So in short, Lovable AI is for simplicity and accessibility, while the Bolt AI is for speed and, of course, scalability. Now for the next part, we're going to talk about ease of use. So ease of use is where I notice the biggest difference. So for Lovable AI, the interface feels clean, almost colorful and almost fun to use. On the other hand, for Bolt AI, it's really faster, but less beginner friendly. As you can see right there, it involves coding. It has a lot of codes right there, which can be overwhelming for beginners. So if you want to plug and play, Lovable AI wins for you. But if you are already sophisticated and already equipped in coding, of course Bolt AI is the one for you. It has also these templates from other creators. So let's just try one and I'm gonna let it load for now and go back on the discussion. So for the third one, we're gonna talk about performance and speed. Now for the performance and speed, this is where Bolt AI really shines. As you can see, if I choose one here, that was really quick in opening a sample website created by Bolt AI. So it's noticeably faster in generating responses since it's only involving coding. Lovable AI is a bit slow for this one. As you can see right there, it has a lot of things going on. And to be honest, this one right here, the preview option, took around 15 minutes to finish. So the winner for this one, I'm gonna go for Bolt. And of course, the biggest question here, let's talk about the pricing. Let me just open the both of them. Let's start with the Lovable AI. So, the Pro version has $25 per month. Business is around $50. Those are per month basis. If you want them to check annually, there's what you have. I think you're gonna save at least $50 per month on each of them if you go for annual. Comparing it with Bolt, it's basically almost the same for this one. Those are gonna be the yearly plans and monthly, with the only differences around $2 to $3 each. And these are gonna be the access you have. Same goes for this one, which is going to be Lovable AI. So basically for this one, if budget matters, Lovable AI is easier on the wallet. If performance is the one you're looking for, Bolt AI is worth the investment. Take note about that one, alright? And of course, this is going to be my honest take for both these AI websites. So here's the truth that most people don't mention, neither tool is really perfect. So Lovable AI can sometimes feel a bit too basic if you're already on the advanced level. You'll hit your limit if you're trying to scale projects. That's where Bolt AI shines. On the other hand, if you're only in beginner, Bolt AI can be overwhelming. While powerful, it can really have those extra features you don't need at first. So I suggest, personally, if you're a freelancer or you're a beginner, go for Lovable AI first. Now if you're already scaling up your projects, you're upgrading your skills, Bolt AI is the new guy for you. And basically that should do it.